Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to start talking about data. We're going to work with mean, median, and mode. So here are the definitions. The mean is also known as the average, and it's the sum of all numbers divided by the amount of numbers. The median is the number in the middle when all the numbers are arranged from least to greatest. And the mode is the number that appears the most often. So let's get into these examples. So in this first example, we're given the number of words in book titles. So to find the mean, we need to add all the numbers up and divide it by how many numbers there are. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 9 because there's 9 numbers. So it's going to be helpful to have a calculator ready just to keep track of everything you're adding. These numbers are not too tough, but you are going to get some data that's going to have bigger numbers. Okay, so we have 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 equals, so that's 25 divided by 9, and then just go ahead and round to 2 decimal places. So the mean here is approximately 2.77 words. Okay, so make sure you use the appropriate unit. Okay, so that's the mean. The median is the number in the middle, but first you need to arrange the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so the smallest number is 1, and there's 2 ones, and then we have 2 twos, and then we have 1, 2, 3 threes, and finally 2 fives. Okay, now the number in the middle, so you work, one way to do is to work from the outside to the inside. So you can start eliminating like one number on each side to find the middle. So eliminate 1 from each side. That's 1, it's another 1, another 1, and finally you're left with this number that's in the middle. Okay, so the median is 3. Okay, and finally the mode. The mode is the number that appears the most often. So it's kind of nice doing the median first because you arrange the numbers from least to greatest. There's 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 threes, and 2 fives. So the number that appears the most often is 3. Okay? The one that appears the most often. All right, let's do another example. Okay, so we have data here, and the title is Age Assumed Office. So we have a bunch of senators, and it looks like they were given the age when they assumed their office. All right, so let's start with the mean. So I'm gonna go down in each column. So 44 plus 41 plus 63 plus 50 plus 47 plus 59 plus 43 plus 47 plus 55 plus 53 plus 42 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So all of that divided by 11. So definitely you want to use a calculator here. 44, 41, 63, 50, 47, 59, 43, 47, 55, 53, and 42. I'm just going to rewrite it. Mean is equal to 544 over 11. So divide by 11. 49.4. And then after the 5, you have a 4, so you just round down to 5. So this is the age. So the mean age is 49.45 years. Okay, age in years. I'm assuming that's years. Okay. Next, the median. So for the median, median. First, let's write all the numbers from least to greatest. Okay, the smallest number I see is, let me grab a red pen so we can see. I think 41. It's pretty young for a senator, but 41. And then we have a 42. And then we have a 43. We have a 44 here. And then next is 47, and we have two 47s. After 47, 50, 53, 55, 59, and 63. Just make sure I crossed everything out. Yes, I did. So I have all my numbers. Now I'm going to cross out, again, outside, working my way in. Cross out one number. Another one. Another one from each side. Another one from each side. Another one from each side. So there we go. So the median is 47 years. So slap and rewrite it. Years. Okay. And the mode is going to be the number that appears most often, and it's 47 years. Okay. Now I'm gonna make up another example because I want to show you something when you have something a little different. So let's say we have some random data. So the data is just random numbers. I'm gonna go with 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, and 20. Okay. So for the mean, add all these numbers up and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 20. That's 58 divided by 6, 9.67. Okay, that's the mean. The median is the number in the middle. And 4, 6, 7, 9, 12, 20, it's already in order. So I'm just going to work within the data how it is. So cross out 1 from each side. And then here, what happens, you're left with 2 numbers in the middle. So if you're left with 2 numbers in the middle, you need to add them up and divide it by 2. So here, this mean is 7 plus 9 divided by 2. So it's the middle of both of those numbers. And 7 plus 9, that's 16 over 2, which is 8. So the median is 8. That's the number in the middle here. And finally, the mode. The mode is the number that appears the most often. But in this data, every data is different. So you just could simply put, there is no mode. And that's it.